But yeah, I also think it's a very classic piece from Chanel that has grown immensely in value, which is fabulous, of course. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you my designer custom jewelry collection, and it's in this little box here, and we get into this in a second. But yeah, I've had so many of you who said, hey, we want to see your entire jewelry collection. It's not the biggest. I always try to like keep my jewelry collection as small as I can, because I feel like you can always only wear like, oh, it's stuck. You can always only wear like one pair of earrings at a time, right? So I feel like, okay, if I have like a couple of really nice earrings, then I'm good. Yeah, I mean, let's have a look, and then I'm gonna show you how all of these earrings look like on as well. So yeah, this is the box that I keep my designer jewelry in, and I can't even remember where I got this one from. I've got it for a couple of years now, and it has this magnetic closure, which is quite nice, and voila. So I mean, most of you probably know all the earrings that I have in my collection simply because I rotate them on like a daily basis. And I always try to switch them up because I love them so much. But yeah, okay, so let's begin with this beautiful pair. This I bought in 2016, and they are very popular. And I remember when I bought it, this pair was £220. And now if you go on Fashion File, they sell for, and I'm gonna put it up here, they sell for $1,850, I think. So it's unbelievable. So yeah, they are made out of solid metal, so you don't have to worry about anything, and we get into that in terms of like little crystals and like pearls falling out, because they are like horror stories on the internet. So far, toy. It hasn't happened to me, but yeah, I think it's something everybody should be aware of because it has happened to a lot of people. And yeah, so this beautiful pair, like I hope you can see it. It's made out of solid metal. This has even fallen down a couple times onto the floor, and nothing has ever happened to them. Like, they are still absolutely perfect, and you know, really happy with them. Then I got this pair, and I think this is the most stunning pair that I have. I feel like this is for like the grand moments in life. You know, when we have like a really important event coming up, or Christmas dinner or something like that. That's when I like to choose these ones. So they have like a little pearl on top. Then yeah, I don't even know, I think it's enamel that's in there. It's like dark red, blue, and like an orangey color. So I don't really worry about these ones either. I don't think that anything is falling out here. I hope that they glued those pearls to the metal well enough that nothing will ever happen to them. But yeah. Then I got this beautiful pair, and this is pretty recent, and I love them. I mean, they are stunning. But they have so many crystals. So when I got them, I was really aware of that, and I was really a little bit worried, because I was like, oh, what's gonna happen, you know, if one of these tiny little pearls falls out, because it has happened to a lot of other YouTubers, and they basically tell their horror stories. But my SA actually said that, and that's lucky for me, I know not everybody has the opportunity, but the flagship store that we have here in London, they actually basically fix it there and then, so they don't have to send it off to Paris, which means you get your earrings back like a little bit faster, I guess. But yeah, so far I've been I have worn them a couple times. I'm checking them after every single time, but nothing has happened again so far, so I'm really happy about that, but I keep you updated, of course. And my newest addition to my Chanel earrings collection is this beautiful pair from the Chanel 20A collection, from the Chanel Métiers Dior 2020 collection. I don't know, I saw them and I fell in love. I think they are a little bit more understated than all the other ones. Simply because, you know, here the CC is that big, here the CC is pretty big. It's pretty obvious here as well. And I feel like if you put these into your ears, you know, from afar, nobody really notices that this is Chanel. You would have to come up like closer and actually see the CCs. So yeah, they have little crystals as well, as you can see. But again, I'm not that worried. It's only 2 crystals per earring basically. And yeah, so these are my Chanel earrings. Then I have this beautiful Chanel bracelet, and I'm almost wearing it every single day. So far I haven't had any problems with this either. It doesn't really scratch up, so the metal is still pretty, you know, shiny. And they basically have like a CC logo on every second pearl, so that's really nice. And then there is a little CC logo here at the dangly bit. And then we have a pair of classic Dior Tribal earrings, and I had so many Dior earrings once in my life, but I sold all of them because they didn't work out for me. I had a couple more Chanel earrings as well, like big pearls and like a CC studs, but I didn't really like them either, so I sold them. This is like my core collection. I would not get rid of any of these ones. I just love them so much. I think they're really special. And yeah, so these I just put in basically whenever I want to, you know, not wear any long earrings and just have a casual day out. And yeah. This, by the way, is from my grandmother. I inherited it, and I really love this pearl necklace, and I have a ring from her as well. So, but yeah, this is my designer custom jewelry collection. Okay, so like I said, this is my oldest pair of earrings, and you've probably seen it 1,000 times. But yeah, I do really like them. I think they're stunning. They're definitely a statement piece. You see them from afar, but yeah, I also think it's a very classic piece from Chanel that has grown immensely in value, which is fabulous, of course. And yeah, so this is pair number 1. Let's see how the other pairs look like. Yeah, here we go. So this is my, I think, my most special pair of Chanel earrings for like the grand moments. Yes, let me come a little bit closer. So I think they are absolutely stunning. Definitely a statement piece as well. You cannot unsee them. You cannot not see them, basically. Yeah, they're stunning. I really like them. I mean, they elevate every outfit immediately. So yeah, this pair, some of you might remember if you've been watching me from the very beginning. This pair I picked up at Heathrow on our way to Japan when we were flying to Tokyo very early this year, before the whole lockdown thing happened, of course. And yeah, I saw them at the airport. I've already seen them before on Instagram, and I was like, oh my god, they have them here, I need to get them. So yeah, I think they're stunning too. I mean, can't be more classic than Chanel and pearls, I guess, right? Yeah, and this is the latest addition to my Chanel jewelry family. Let me come a little bit closer. I've just done the unboxing video and the reveal video of these earrings, I think, when was it? 2 weeks ago? Yeah. So this is from the current Métiers collection, and they actually only did receive 3 pairs of these earrings in the UK. So I'm really happy that I did find this pair. I think it's very special. It's a little bit more understated, like I said, but yeah, absolutely love them. Yeah, and here we have my classic Dior Tribal earrings, and yeah, like I said, I just like to wear these ones on, you know, hot days or just days where you just want to be a little bit more casual and you don't want to run around with like long dangly earrings. And yeah, I think for that they're very classic. You always look chic, but you know, you don't have to think about your earrings all day long when you wear these. So yeah, pretty happy. These were all my earrings. Let me quickly show you my little Chanel bracelet as well. So this one I got for Christmas, so I've almost got it for, yeah, 8-9 months now. And I've been wearing, whoops, yeah, it's a little bit difficult to put it on by yourself. So I've been wearing this one almost every single day, and I absolutely love it. Can we see this? Yeah. So I think it also cannot get more classic than a Chanel pearl bracelet. And I just love the gold. It looks like, for me, it looks like a vintage piece almost. It could be like Chanel from the 80s. The shiny gold metal is stunning, and yeah, really like this one. Here's the little detail up close. there might be some scratches on there, I don't know if you can see it, but this metal here is still shiny and beautiful, and yeah, really love this. And that was everything. That was my little Chanel slash one pair of Dior earrings jewelry collection video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Join our little handbag obsessed slash earrings slash fashion obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I see you again soon. Bye!